UAT.
Thank you, Speaker. I give notice that next sitting of the House, that this House must debate the issue of taxing trusts in South Africa, with particular reference to the extent in which the trusts are being used to legitimate estate planning versus tax avoidance and illicit financial flows, the implications of trust taxation of wealth distribution, inequality, and fiscal sustainability in South Africa, potential reform to ensure that taxation of trust align with the principle of fairness, transparency, and economic transformation, the adequacy of the current legislative framework governing the taxation of trust. I so move.
Thank you.